Yes, my dear friends, today we are going to compare the comparison of past continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense. How to use them? So first of all, I will say that past continuous tense, the action which is ongoing in the past at a particular time or interrupted by another action. Again, I will tell you, past continuous tense, the action which is ongoing in the past at a particular time. I can say, for example, that I was taking bath at 7 o'clock. मैं 7 बजे नहा रहा था और the ongoing action interrupted by another action. I was taking bath when you came. जब तुम आए तो मैं नहा रहा था. But in present perfect continuous, this is also the action which is ongoing in the past, but focus is given on duration. It means the action is started earlier in the past and still it was going on when it was interrupted by another action. For example, I had been taking bath for 30 minutes, for 10 minutes when you came. For example, another example I will say that the first one, were you reading the book? In past continuous, were you reading the book? So were you reading the book when he came? जब वो आया तो क्या आप किताब पढ़ रहे थे? The answer will be yes, I was reading the book when he came. Negative answer, no, I wasn't reading. I was sleeping or I was taking lunch or doing something else. But in past perfect continuous, the question will be, had you been reading the book for 2 hours? क्या आप 2 घंटे से किताब पढ़ रहे थे when he came? Yes, answer will be yes, I had been reading the book. यहाँ focus है कि I had been reading the book for 2 hours. Yeah, I had been reading the book. If there is a fixed time, so I can say yes, I had been reading the book since 5 o'clock or since 7 o'clock, like this when you came. No, I hadn't been reading the book. I was writing. कुछ और भी कह सकते हैं. Another example, I will say that were you sleeping when he came? क्या तुम सो रहे थे जब वो आया? या were you sleeping when the telephone rang? The answer will be yes, I was sleeping when the telephone rang. Or I can say no, I was not sleeping then, I was taking dinner. In present perfect continuous, I will say that had you been sleeping when the telephone rang? क्या आप सो रहे थे? Had you been sleeping for long? या for hours? For long time? क्या आप देर से सो रहे थे? If I say that had you been sleeping for hours, क्या आप घंटों से सो रहे थे when the telephone rang? Yes, I had been sleeping for few hours or when the telephone rang. No, I hadn't been sleeping then. I was just taking dinner or lunch. So my dear friend, I am sure that you got the difference. Now again, I will tell you that in past continuous, when ongoing action is just interrupted by another action, the focus is only over the action only, in ongoing action. But when it is in present perfect continuous tense, so the focus is on duration, that how long that action was continuing. So time is there. I am sure it will be clear for you and you will practice like this.